Today I want to talk to you about your minimum viable product, your MVP. You have any idea what I'm talking about? So this is your very first product, your entry product into the marketplace, and also the entry that your customers will start to see you for, right? The first thing that they'll buy. Minimal viable product is kind of a misnomer in a way, because once it starts with minimal, it sounds like it's small, or it's a marketing term thrown around by marketers for years, developed by Eric Rice many, many, many years ago. Now it's probably more common. You hear like mini offer or initial offer, that kind of thing. So what we're talking about with an MVP is a smaller offer to get some, first time people to actually buy from you. So something that is a little piece, a little chunk, of your larger offerings that you have. And this, though, is not minimal in any way. Okay, it's a very, very high value product. It is a lower price, but it's something that will deliver an exact result. So they're going to be really impressed by you, right? This is the first impression. This is that, when you meet somebody, you have to make a great impression. This is it. So that you need to deliver you in there, right? Authentic you and your talents and the way that you train or what you have to offer them really needs to come through with this piece. But it's not a complicated product to develop, and that's why it's called minimum viable. So the minimum part is because it's pretty quick to develop, right? Because it's something that you know very well, something that you do all the time, and you're just going to put it into some sort of digital form. Maybe it's a PDF or a video or something like that. And then the viable part of it is the fact that it's delivering the actual results. So they have a problem, and you're solving that problem. Yes, it's just a little nugget of the problem, and clearly you're not going to provide all your services and the full scope of everything at the very beginning, but you do want them to see how well that they would be working with you further. So you want them to get a great result, be super excited to continue to work with you, and be waiting to see what the next thing is to move them forward to the next step. So that is a little bit overview for you, and a little bit more detail on what an MVP is. And we hope that you will, work on your own MVPs and your offers that you do. And if you need help, we are here to support you with that. We've got our own programs. We've got our own minimal viable products, of course, as well as any other, coaching and support that you need. So make sure you reach out. And we would love to be able to work with you and help you on your path to success and making money online. Thanks. Till next time.